All right. So, do you guys have a preference for size?
Well,
Yeah.
I like portables and ultra portables. In between, like the Swiss I just showed you is somewhere in between an ultra portable and a portable.
Yeah.
I like Brothers a lot, the JP ones. That's kind of the size that I like for carrying around and typing in random places.
Yeah. How about you, David?
I think it depends on what you're doing, but I love portables. One of my favorite machines to write on, though, is the Royal HH, which is a tank,
Oh, yes.
because you really feel, I mean, when you hit that carriage return, you really feel it. It's just, there's a indescribable feeling of using a Royal HH. So I guess it depends on the mood. Like if I want to write an angry letter, I'll get out the Royal HH. If I want to write something less, maybe the Underwood 7.7 noiseless, because that's got no slap to it.
Yeah. It's funny that you mentioned the big standards. I have a Royal FPE, and it's one of those enormous beasts, and it also has a hard platen, of course, and I can put 3 backing sheets and it will cut through every single sheet. So I have to use a very, very light touch on it. So, yeah. And Joe, I suspect I know what your answer is. What size do you prefer?
So, I like. I've used all different kinds of typewriters, but I guess my setup is more conducive to smaller ones because I don't really like to type in one location in my office. I had an SG3, Olympia SG3 for a while. I had an IBM Selectric 2, I think, or Selectric 1. And I have a couple of big daisy wheel machines, and they take up a lot of room, right? And I like the portability of smaller machines. Of course, I happen to have the Groma Calibri on the desk right now, but that's really for testing purposes. But